Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about the Spring Japan Culture Camp that is for the year of 2023 in Osaka from 9 to 13 April 2023. So friends, if you are new in my video, watch my previous video. They will help you in getting international scholarship, internship exchange program and other opportunities. So let's have a look on it. The program benefits a pre-departure 1-week Japanese language course and live for 5 days in Osaka, Japan. Learn and understand on Japanese culture directly. Spring experience heritage walking tour around Osaka and Kyoto. Experimental learning certificate of participation from AYFN. Cultural tour activities in Osaka and Kyoto. Visit many interesting places both in Osaka and Kyoto. Taste authentic Japanese cuisine. Walk around heritage area of Kyoto. Now, how does the Japan Culture Camp will work? Participants will be met up in Japan. The camp will combine sense of friendship, adventure, and cultural awareness. Participants will live for 5 days in Osaka, and the camp needs participation who are passionate in international friendship and adapt new environment. So you can check here the eligibility criteria. And the camp is Japan will be started on 9 April 2023 and will be ended on 13 April 2023. Which activities will be done in day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4 and day 5. And scholarship scheme. There are two scholarship schemes. One is gold and other is silver. So you can check here gold and silver category scholarship opportunity, and requirement for this program must be between 15 to 35 year old. All nationality are welcome. Commit to join full program, able to adapt new environment easily, good in writing skills, good in public speaking skills, familiar with social media like Instagram and TikTok, must have minimum 2 of these social media accounts, Instagram or Twitter or TikTok or YouTube channel, and willing to write and post your activities in environment during join the camp, have a good leadership skill, able to communicate in English, health physically and mentally. Required documents to apply for this program is your curriculum vitae or resume or cover letter, your motivation letter, short introduction video, include your personal information, family background, travel experience, achievement, strength and weakness. And please upload into YouTube. You can set the video unlistedly. And how to apply for this program? Pay the non-refundable selection fee, that is before 15 December. Member of ASEAN free of charge. There is no application fee for member of ASEAN country, and non-member of ASEAN will pay $8. And if you apply after 15 December, then you have to pay application fee, that is $20. Deadline of the application submission is 31st December 2022. So if you apply before 15 December, then you have to pay $8. After 15 December, then you have to pay $20. And it is open for all nationalities and members of ASEAN. If you are already applied for ASEAN Scholarship 2022, you could still apply for this Japan Culture Camp 2023. And the number of scholarship slots are maximum 6 slots are available. And you can also apply for self-funded stream program. If you are applying for self-funded stream program for member of ASEAN, if you apply before 15 December, then you have to pay $650, and if you are non-member, then you have to pay $700, which include and exclude. You can check it. You can check it here. If you are applying through a self-funded program, requirement for self-funded program are must be between 15 to 35 year old, and all nationality are welcome, able to pay the program fee. And you can check it here. Pay the non-refundable of registration fee is amount of $10, and after that first come first surface basis. Payment one is commitment fee, that is $100 to secure US slots, that is also non-refundable fee. And then rest of payment, this program is limited for maximum 15 participant only. Application will be closed if the quota is over. So for self-funded program there are total 15 seats are available, and for scholarship program total are 6 seats are available. And registration cancellation by participant, you can check it here. So friends, you can check here all the other eligibility criteria and requirement. So I'm gonna apply on it. So friends, If you are applying for scholarship, then click here register online. And if you are a member of AYFN, then you can apply free of cost. And if you are non-member of AYFN, and then you have to pay $8 if you apply before 15 December. After 15 December to 31st December, you have to pay $20. So this is the AYFN scholarship applicant 2023 spring. So first of all, you have to put your email address, then you confirm email address. Yes, placement program is Spring Japan Culture Camp 2023 in Osaka. And after paying the application fee, you have to select fee payment received here. You have to add it here. And after that, you are applying for a gold scholarship or a silver type scholarship program. Your full name here, your membership card of ASEAN. If you are active member of ASEAN, then you have to add it. If you are a non-member, then please leave it. Your agent ID if you have any, then otherwise write NA, your sex, your country of origin, your phone number, your home address, your motivation letter. You have to upload it here. Your resume, your certificate of achievements or award if you have any. Your self introduction video. Kindly provide us the YouTube video link here. You have to upload your video link here. And why should we select you as a scholarship awardee? Emergency contact number, and how do you know about this opportunity? Your Instagram account details, your YouTube channel, your Facebook account, and after that agreement, I hereby confirm that the information I provide above is correct, and I have read the program description and I agree all the terms and conditions. And after that, simply click on submit this application form. So friends, this is the whole process. In this way, you can apply for the cultural spring program in Japan. That's very great opportunity. If you are looking for a scholarship program, must avail this opportunity. Total are 6 scholarships will be awarded. Also, self-funded opportunity is also available for 15 participants. So friends, must avail this opportunity. And also friends, share this video with your family and friend circle. And if you got selected for this program, then must share your success story with me. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.